How can I troubleshoot Gmail not sending emails problem?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're tackling an issue that some of you may have experienced: Gmail not sending emails. We'll guide you through a series of checks and possible solutions to get your Gmail back on track.
Are you connected to the internet?
Sometimes, the simplest problems have the simplest solutions. First, let's verify that you're connected to the internet. Check other websites or online services to confirm. If you're having connection issues, try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider.
Are you over your Gmail quota?
Gmail accounts have a sending limit. If you're sending a large number of emails, or if your emails have large attachments, you might have hit this limit. Check your Google Drive storage. Gmail, Google Photos, and Google Drive share storage space. If you're over your limit, you'll need to delete some items or upgrade your storage.
Is your email too large?
There's a size limit of 25 megabytes per email. If your email or attachments exceed this limit, you won't be able to send it. Reduce the size of your attachments or use a service like Google Drive to share large files.
Is Gmail down?
Although rare, it's possible that Gmail services are temporarily down. Check Google's App Status dashboard or other independent outage tracking websites to see if there are reported issues with Gmail.
Is your outgoing mail server correct?
If you're using a Gmail account through a different email client, like Outlook or Apple Mail, ensure your outgoing mail server settings are correct. The outgoing mail server should be smtp.gmail.com, with the port set to 587.
Are there issues with your recipients?
If your email is not sending to a particular recipient, check if their email address is correct. If it is, they might have blocked your email address or their inbox might be full. You could ask them to check. We hope this video helps you troubleshoot and solve your Gmail not sending emails problem. By following these steps, you should be able to get back to sending those important messages. Remember, if the issue persists, contact Google support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.